Hi there YouTube, it's about the third time I tried to start this video. I'm Vivian Moon, here to begin a project of disclosure with yourselves. I haven't made too many YouTube videos. I'm trying to keep the sound quality up, so if it sounds like I'm shouting a little bit, it's only so that you can definitely hear what I say. And basically I'm going to come this first part of disclosure, I'm going to come out pretty hard and fast, but not so fast that you can't follow me. So in the same way that humans developed the behaviour of farming animals and plants for food, in the same way that we farm animals for plants and plants for food, within the cosmic landscape that we exist, humans are also farmed for food, for different energies, and they're a part of other energy cycles that aren't fully disclosed to us, and that is one of the main premises of this my series of videos, which is called Disclosure. And I don't think that you're going to get disclosure from any higher source. I think disclosure is something that you can only get from it's quite a subject, and to be exposed to the information required to be convicted, you in many ways have to be quite invested in the cover-ups involved of the energy cycle. So the more you know, it tends to be that the more in your interest it is not to share the information. I just feel that if we, whatever part of the cosmos you're from, it'd be a good time to start a conversation about what our future is going to look like, and perhaps look at ways in which we can increase the quality, the way we can increase the flavours of, develop some of the flavours we're producing on this planet, and essentially design our own farming methods with help and assistance from all those involved. So yeah, the unified theory is humans farm animals, humans are farmed. The farming is a behaviour pattern that's new to this planet. This planet has its own significance in the cosmos. I might go into flat earth theory. I'm definitely going to talk about free range farming. I'm going to talk about every kind of farming technique there is. We're going to talk about the different cosmic technologies that could be available to the timesharers of this planet, once we've opened the conversation up and decided that we do want a new paradigm for ourselves. We want a different future than we want to change. To change the future, you have to work on the present, and so in ways that we can organise ourselves to make the future a future of versatile farming techniques that will help us develop the flavours available to the cosmos through this planet, and maybe other planets as well. And so to do that, we're going to have to identify the cosmic players in this game. We're going to have to identify some of the the dimensions of consciousness, the densities in which consciousness has its integers, and so really it's a channel for anyone who's interested in physics or biology or chemistry. It's actually a science for anyone that's interested in, a channel for anyone that's interested in science, and it's a channel for anyone that's interested in the humanities, such as psychology. Psychology is a big part of what's going on this planet. In the same way that humans, they create the environment for an animal, they manipulate the consciousness of an animal in order to make it easier to farm. Humans having their consciousness manipulated in order to make them easier to farm, and so we farm animals for different things, and obviously humans themselves also farm for different things. So whether you're being farmed for eggs or meat, or whether you're being farmed for your working abilities, or whether you're being farmed for to pull the plough, whether you're being farmed to, depends what you're being farmed for. So same way we farm animals differently, humans also farm differently, and there's a number of different farming projects that I would like to talk about. I think we should really discuss, really, and the sooner we can do that, the better. So this is the first part of this disclosure series, and it's trying to sort of unify science fiction theory, and sort of bring that into line with what's actually happening in the flat Earth. And we're going to identify some of the cosmic players, and we're going to look at ways that we can improve the flavours being developed on this planet. We're going to look at ways that new flavours can be developed. Obviously, we're going to look at ways in which flavours, different sensual integers. We're going to look at how to, how different ways they can be isolated, different ways they can be cultivated, different ways they can be different ways. So we're going to sort of look at ways to administer for all forms of human expression, really, and to sort of look at ways in which we can end because we are in a system where our human expression is governed, and we're being governed like animals, really. And to be fair, I think the awareness we have now of the situation, it'd be daft not to take some sort of measures to organise a new paradigm. So obviously at the moment humans' culture is we have a lot of our ideas manipulated via silicon technologies such as television or computers. So really this is I'm using the silicon technology like this video to talk to yourself. This is me, Vivian Moon. I want to talk about farming and your role in the future of farming on this planet. So this is for anyone with an interest in this planet. It's a channel for you to comment, to subscribe to, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm going to try and keep them all to around about 10 minutes. So we're talking. So hopefully, yeah, this is a channel for you to subscribe to and see if see what comes out. If it comes out this way, it's going to be interesting. And I really hope the sound quality is okay. And yeah, we'll try another one. Okay then, smashing.